The little bird's feathers fast, the little bird so sweet and bright, kept her fast with pure delight. Woke up early full of cheer, had her suho with joy so clear, drank some water, ate a date. Thank Allah, her faith was great. All the birds sang loud and high, our little bird is fasting. My oh my, the sun rose high, the noon felt warm. The little bird stayed calm and strong. She felt so thirsty but stayed true, remembered Allah, her heart grew. Evening came, the call was heard, a lovely scent spread through the air. She broke her fast with little seeds, thanked Allah for all her needs. Everyone cheered so full of grace, Allah's mercy filled the place. The little bird chirped happily, fasting is a journey so lovely. All the birds sang loud and high, our little bird is fasting. My oh my, the sun rose high, the noon felt warm. The little bird stayed calm and strong. She felt so thirsty but stayed true, remembered Allah, her heart grew. Evening came, the call was heard, a lovely scent spread through the air. She broke her fast with little seeds, thanked Allah for all her needs. Everyone cheered, so full of grace, Allah's mercy filled the place. The little bird chirped happily, fasting is a journey so lovely.